lovelies, welcome back to Lola's recipe. Hope you guys are doing good and happy weekend to you all. Thank you for tuning in today's video. So guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you how I make eko, aka agidi. This is called eko in my tribe Yoruba. We call this eko, and it is very easy to make. So if you would like to watch how I achieve this consistency, this delicious eko, please keep watching and I will show you how I make this eko. So to make this eko, you will need pap. This is a dried pap, like pap powder. So I'm using the dried one, the powdered one. You can also use the normal fresh pap as well. So in a bowl, I will measure 2 cups of powdered ogi or pap in a clean bowl. Then I will add some cold water. So in this video, I actually use 2 cups of cold water to dissolve the powder pap first. So once you add the water, you just go ahead and mix the pap together with the water until you get this texture. Make sure there is no lump inside when you are mixing this. So next I will transfer this into my cooking pot. You can mix this pap from the pot directly. You don't need to, you can mix it just straight off from the pot. You don't have to first mix it in a bowl. So that was the mistake I made. So don't do the same thing. So after that, I will add hot water. We'll be making this the same way you make your normal pap or custard. So on a low heat, I will be stirring this on a very low heat. Please don't do this on high flame, don't do this on medium, just do it on a low heat. So at this point, this is our pap. So if you are drinking this instantly, you can just turn off your cooker at this moment. But because I'm making a eko, I will keep stirring this. This will take about 6 to 8 minutes. Do not abandon this on the stove. Keep stirring so you don't get a lump, you don't get lumps from this pap. So about 8 minutes later, I will get a cold water. This is how you're going to check if it is ready. Scoop some of this pap into a cold water. If you are able to pick it out of the water without dissolving into the water, that means it is ready. If this is not ready, it will dissolve into the inside the water. So at this moment it is ready. So I will go ahead and get my cleaned moi moi leaf. I like to make this in a traditional way. We use leaf to make it, but if you don't know how to wrap this, you can use nylon, you can use container, anything whatever you have in your kitchen, you can use it to make your eko. So after folding the leaf, I will scoop some of the pap into the leaf, then I will wrap it just like this. This is very simple. You can see, you just you just make your eko. You just set that aside and not do repeat the same process with the remaining pap until you finish wrapping all your pap. So once I'm done wrapping all this pap, I will just put them in the kitchen. You don't have to put this in the fridge, so you just put it in your kitchen on your kitchen temperature. This will still come out very good. So once I'm done wrapping everything, I will just leave it in the kitchen just like that, and I will come back for it later. So a few hours later, this is in the evening, this is around 6 p.m. I made this video in the morning after I came back from school runs. So this is in the evening around 6 p.m. I just checked now and our eko is ready. This came out very good. It's nice. It tastes just like eko back home. So if you don't know how to make eko before, I hope you will give this a try and you're going to love it. If this turned out very well in your own kitchen, please tag me, let me know, send me a message and I will reply to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and follow me on Facebook, TikTok YouTube with the same name, Lola's Recipe. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video.